I'm here in New Ross in Ireland. The sun is shining, but today I'm here with Machine Shop Ireland talking about EDM technology and how they've embraced their first machine from Warwick Machine Tools. Paul, we're in New Ross in Ireland, another customer of yours. But before we actually talk about why they've invested in the V400G machine from Excetek, tell us a little bit about the Irish market and how many machines you actually got in Ireland now.
Well, we've got over here now nearly 30 machines throughout the country. The vast majority of them at the moment are probably wire cut machines, and they're generally spread around all over the province really. Yes, we have got a lot over in the Galway Limerick area, but yeah, we've got a lot of machines over here now, spark eroders as well, and small hole drilling machines.
And most engineers will probably know the Irish market for being very heavily into medical. A lot of these machines actually making medical parts.
Yeah. I would say almost 80–90% of our customers are creating parts for the medical industry, if not directly, through sub-tiers of the industry itself.
Now it's quite interesting here at Machine Shop Ireland. Now these guys didn't embrace EDM technology. Tell us a little bit about the journey, how they contacted you.
Well, initially before they contacted me, they used to sub out a lot of their wire cut work. And obviously that led them to think that it may be beneficial in acquiring a machine themselves. So they actually found our details through the MTD website. And Tom, the managing director of Machine Shop Ireland, actually gave me a call. And we had a discussion about things. And yeah, one thing led to another. We managed to sell him a machine. And I came down and I did the installation training myself.
Our customers required more complex parts, a lot more parts, I suppose with the development of CAD and parts were getting more complex, narrower slots, cones, things like that. So we needed the EDM to be able to fulfill the requirements of our customers.
It's quite interesting actually because you know, when you look at you know, the medical market, which is your background, it's very strong in Ireland. You know, just having this machine actually in for the well, just over a year now, you're maxing this out now in time.
Yes, at the moment the machine is running almost at capacity. Obviously we have some capacity for new customers, but we are looking at an expansion here, more space and more machines.
And does the EDM process, has it become more efficient for you and more cost effective for your customers?
Definitely, yeah. So with the smaller components and smaller slots and parts that we're able to make, internal corners, there's more requirements for the narrower wire, and also even smaller wire. This machine is able to use small wire as well, which we utilise. The machine is a great asset to us.
And I suppose the benefit as well as EDM, it can actually, some materials are quite tough within the medical sector, but I presume this actually is no problem at all.
No, once it's conductive, it'll cut it same as any other material. We also run aluminium as well, which is a soft material, but it does allow us to do extra things which we wouldn't be able to do on the mills.
And I think that's a wonderful package that Warwick Machine Tool really offers into the Irish market, is that you're based in Ireland, there's spares, obviously you're servicing the machines, but also technically you really help these guys.
Yeah, I mean technically, well, I'm based in Dublin myself, so every customer that I have has got my mobile number, they call me directly. And yeah, we've got spare parts for machines based in Dublin. Say if anybody needs any help, I'm out on the road. I can visit them same day, next day, depending where they are. And yeah.
That's the full package for me, and I think talking to Tom, the managing director here, you know, the machine has been installed for over a year and it's already maxed out.
That's right. I mean, when you think about it, Tom had his machine. He never really had a wire machine before. We had a day's training, and Tom was there. He was chomping at the bit to get something cutting on his machine, and I said, "Okay, Tom, let's go. I'll come back and do some more training." he never needed it. He carried on, and this machine is working at least 85% now of capacity.
And I understand from Tom there's going to be further expansion here with machines, with people. But talking about expansion, you guys have got a purposely built factory now in Droitwich in the UK, which gives you the opportunity and for customers to actually really see your machines in action.
That's right. We've got a brand new facility in Droitwich, and that's only been open now the last 2 or 3 weeks, really. So we've got it together now, and we've got stock machines there, and yeah, it's a great facility for people to come and see all the products that we've got, and for us to do demonstrations and work with customers on a technical level to see what people really want to do.
And I think that the great thing about where you are based in Ireland, you've got the help, you've got the service, you've got the training, which is very, very important, but also you can actually turn around a machine very quickly having stock in the UK.
Yeah, sure. I mean, if we've got a machine on the deck in the UK, we'll get it on a lorry very quickly, and as soon as it hits the deck over here, I'll install it, I do the training, and I look after the customer from there on.
So 30 machines now. I'm sure you're going to be moving into more like 50 machines by the end of the year.
Keep fingers crossed.